kept going?
I don't really know. But this was not a game we were going to chase, so we didn't take any chances. But I never really thought of it that way. But he got an X-ray and it was negative, and so he's probably going to be sore for a few days, and we'll see how it goes from here.
Steve Kerr, a little bit lost for words, said he didn't know how else to describe it. The team did quite well. They came up with pelvic contusion. As for Draymond Green,
that'll be fine. I think it's just something that's kind of like at the peak right now. But it's calmed down a little bit since it happened, so it ain't that serious.
Just like knee to the groin during the gangrene drive?
Yeah. Not really my groin. A little higher up, but yeah.
I mean, you feel like this is probably one of the missing time, or?
I don't think so, but I don't know. Just go day by day and see, if it improves over the next couple of days, but I don't think so.
When it first happened, did you think it was anything serious?
I still don't think it's anything serious. It just never really settled down. Usually you hit low, it kind of settles down over the course of, a couple minutes or whatnot. It just didn't start settling down. So it's all good, though. I'll be all right.
It just seemed like an obnoxious place to get an injury, like something kind of weird.
Yeah, it's just like constant annoying pain. Like it's just, it hurt, but it's more annoying than anything, but it definitely hurt, but it's no fun.
I'm no doctor, but judging by the voice, not terrible. Warriors losing 89-75 to the Spurs. Warriors 75 points. They scored 75 and a half 5 times this season. Wind up losing to San Antonio. Pacers, a 10-point win over the Lakers. Lakers' third straight loss after going 8-2 over their previous 10. Cavs, a 124-117 win over the Bucks. LeBron James with a triple-double. 40 points, 12 rebounds, 10 assists. 16th triple-double of the season. Most in a single season at any point.